Hey guys, welcome back to Priya's Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this winter special New Year simple makeup. You can wear this makeup look if you are attending a New Year party or if you are attending any occasion or any party. So in this makeup look, I kept the eye makeup very basic and very simple. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome to Priya's Hacks. Here we talk about makeup, beauty, skincare, home remedies and healthcare. If you are interested in that stuff, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also activate the bell icon that is next to the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification. And yes, let's start the video. Alright guys, so let's start with skincare. I have already applied a lip balm on my lips, so it's time to moisturize the face. For this, I'm using the Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. This is by First Aid Beauty. I'm taking 2 to 3 drops of this oil. This is actually preferable for normal oily and combination skin, but I have dry skin and I don't know, for some reason it seems to work for me. This oil is good to treat dryness and acne scars and redness. So yeah. So I'll wait for a couple of minutes, say 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll move on to foundation. So for foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm in the shade Golden Beige. Yeah, this foundation is not full coverage and not very drying. Since it's winter, it is very important that we don't use very high coverage and matte finish foundations, because they will enhance our dry patches. So that is why I'm using this foundation today. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to film, but before applying the foundation, I have applied this Nykaa face primer. So yeah, after foundation, proceeding to the concealer. For concealer today, I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer. This is in the shade, I don't know, light to medium beige. So guys, I didn't post any video past week. You guys know that whenever my pain comes back, I take a break from YouTube, because it is very difficult for me even to get out of my bed. So, and filming a video, it is actually out of question. That's not happening. So that is why I didn't film any videos and I didn't post any videos. Even now I'm not actually feeling well, but I don't know, I thought that maybe I should shoot at least one video before this year ends. So yeah, that's why I'm filming this video. To set the concealer, I'm using the Miss Claire Blooming face powder in the shade Translucent. After applying the powder, let's move on to eye makeup. Today I'm keeping the eye makeup very basic and very simple. For today's eye makeup, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. Rose in the Air, whatever you may want to call it. First, I'm taking this cool tone transition shade on a blending brush, and I'm applying it in the crease. As well as I'm applying it all over my eyelid. Oh my god, I forgot to do my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Eyebrow Kit. I love this product. It retails for 400 rupees, 399, 400 rupees, but this product is very good. So first I'm going to brush my eyebrow hair. I'm using the little eyebrow brush that comes with this kit. First I'm taking this light brown shade and I'll apply in the starting part of my eyebrows. So guys, I'm not myself today. Guys, I'm not myself for 3 weeks because of this pain. Fibromyalgia makes you very clumsy because your brain focuses more on pain management rather than anything else. So that is why people with fibromyalgia or any kind of chronic pain for that matter, they be so clumsy. Oh, and I'm using this dark shade to fill in the rest of my eyebrow. I know today I'm talking only and only about my pain. That is because that is the only thing that's going on in my life right now. Eyebrows are done, so let's resume our eye makeup. So yes, I'm applying this transition shade on my other eye as well. On much smaller brush, I'm taking this burgundy shade. First, I'm depositing the color in the outer corner, and I'll bring that shade into the crease as well. After applying the burgundy color, it's time for glitter. For that, I am taking this glittery shade, soft glittery shade, and I'm depositing just in the middle section of my eye. I'm not applying any concealer, I'm not cutting the crease, I'm not cleaning my lid or anything. I'm just simply applying the glittery shade. To make the glittery shade pop a little bit, I'm using the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is the shade number 2, Diamond Dust. Guys, these kind of liquid glittery eyeshadows, these are a must have. These come really handy and very useful. I'm not specifically talking about this particular Swiss Beauty brand. I have another liquid eyeshadow from a local brand. So this is how it looks. You can get these kind of liquid glittery eyeshadows in any local store. So yeah, these are really handy. So I'm using my fingers to apply this eyeshadow. I'm taking a little bit of eyeshadow on my fingers, placing it where I have applied the glittery eyeshadow. This particular Swiss Beauty eyeshadow, it is not waterproof, but you can see it instantly added glam to this eye look. So that's what I'm talking about. These kind of glittery eyeshadows are a must have. So yeah, I'll complete the other eye off camera and I'll go back. Alright guys, so I've completed the other eye. Let's move on to eyeliner. For eyeliner today, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. This is the first time I tried this eyeliner. The brush is so good. If you want to practice drawing wing eyeliners, go for it. Try this one. It is very easy to draw precise eyeliner. So yeah, try this one. Try this product. After eyeliner, let's move on to mascara. For mascara today I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Eye Mascara. Before that, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Also, I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. For that, I'm using the Plum Nature Studio Kajal Pencil. Alright guys, after applying the false eyelashes, let's move on towards contouring and bronzing. For that, today I'm using the Maybelline V-Face Blush and Contour Palette. From that, I am taking this contour shade and it comes with a little brush. So today I'm using the same brush. So I'm taking this contour shade. First I'll place the color and then I'll blend it. So I'm blending into my hairline so that it looks natural. Also I'm using the same color to contour my jawline. So after contouring for blush, today I'm using the Wet n Wild Baked blush. This is in the shade Don't Flutter Yourself. So this blush has very shimmery sheen to it. I'm using it today anyway because it's winter makeup, and in winter it's okay to glow a little bit. Oh my god, this is not a blush, this is a highlighter. Wow. Okay. I'm replacing the Wet n Wild blush with this Australis Show Some Cheek blush. This is in the shade Ablaze. Also I'll apply the blush a little bit on the nose as well, just like this. I didn't take any additional product. Whatever left on this brush, just took it a little bit here. So moving on to highlighter, I think I'll give this Wet n Wild blush a try as a highlighter. So yeah, I'm taking a little bit on my highlighter brush. This is actually an eyeshadow brush, but it is very huge and fluffy, so that is why I use it as a highlighter blush. And I'm a little bit scared to apply this product. Okay, not so scary. I'm being very careful with this product because it can ruin your makeup very quickly. I used this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation a couple of times, like 2-3 times. Then I didn't like it that much, but I don't know why today I'm liking this product very much. It's actually very good foundation. Alright guys, so there is only one step left now, applying lip color. For that today I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lip in the shade I Explore. After applying everything to set the makeup, you can use a makeup setting spray, but I'll remove this makeup literally after shooting this video, so that is why I'm not applying any makeup setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you like this video and I hope you like this makeup look. If you do, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, happy new year to all you guys.